chose targets very carefully, where every one of them.
पाकिस्तान की करतूतों को उजागर करने के लिए भारत का सर्वदलीय शिष्टमंडल ब्राजील पहुंच चुका है। तिरुवनंतपुरम से कांग्रेस सांसद शशि थरूर की अगुवाई वाली इस टीम ने ब्राजील में एम्बेसडर सेल्सो एमोरिम के साथ बैठक की। शशि थरूर ने एक एक कर सर्वदलीय शिष्टमंडल के सदस्यों का परिचय कराया और यह बात अंडरलाइन की कि भारत जाति और धर्म से ऊपर उठकर विविधताओं में जीने वाला देश है। इसके बाद शशि थरूर ने ऑपरेशन सिंदूर के बारे में ब्राजील को विस्तार से बताया। थरूर ने बार बार बताया कि हमने सिर्फ आतंकी ठिकाने ध्वस्त किए। पाकिस्तान की सेना या किसी सिविलियन को नुकसान पहुंचाना ऑपरेशन सिंदूर का मकसद नहीं था।
So I just wanted to say that we chose targets very carefully, where every one of them was clearly and explicitly linked to, or the base of, or the training camp of one of these proscribed organizations. Second, we took great care to do so at night, 1:05 to 1:30 in the morning, to minimize any risk of collateral damage, civilians and so on. Normal life was, everyone should be asleep at that time. And then we also explicitly avoided any Pakistani government target, any civilian target, and any military target. So the whole idea was to signal we are not trying to start a war. We are just conducting retribution for an act of terror, which was a really vile act. 26 people killed. They singled out the men on the basis of their religion. They shot them dead in front of their wives and children. It was really horrendous. And it was meant, of course, to do the maximum possible damage to India, to disrupt the Kashmiri economy, which was booming, to end the prospects of tourism flourishing in Kashmir. Tourism had gone up by 100% in the preceding 12 months, to also perhaps create a communal backlash in India, because these people said, are you Hindu? Bang. Can you recite the first verse of the Quran? Then we'd spare you. And in fact, they spared one man because he could recite. And this was clearly intended to send the message, it is our religion that is killing you. And so the hope was that there would be a backlash back in India. And the Indian people, thank God, had the maturity to stay united.
No.
Absolutely. Nothing like that. There were heightened tensions for maybe 24 hours, some minor incidents in university campuses and so on. But thereafter, the whole country rallied behind. And in fact, once the operation started, you would be so impressed to see the strength of opinion of all sections. And in fact, I'm proud to say that every one of our parliamentary delegations going around the world has this diversity of religion I mentioned. Mr. Sarfraz Ahmed is from the Muslim community, is strongly, solidly with us. We've had others leading voices from the Muslim community.
इसके बाद शशि थरूर ने बहुत ही डिप्लोमेटिक तरीके से पाकिस्तान की हरकतों की पोल खोलनी शुरू की। उन्होंने वे तस्वीरें दिखाईं जिससे आतंकवाद को पाकिस्तानी समर्थन की बात साफ होती है।
Phenomena so well, I don't want to preach to somebody as knowledgeable as you are, but this is a particularly troubling matter because it is about the use of terrorism as an instrument of state policy. When we struck those terror bases on the 7th, as I said, every one of those bases identified linked to terror. Next morning, there is a funeral at one of the sites, conducted by a person who's also named in the committee, Hafiz Abdul Rauf, who's an elite figure named in the United Nations Sanctions Committee. He is conducting the funeral, and look who's attending. Uniformed officers of the police and military of Pakistan. These are all military officers and they're a couple of police people. Senior officials. This is what...
इसके बाद शशि थरूर ने यूएनएससी यानी संयुक्त राष्ट्र सुरक्षा परिषद में आतंकियों को चीन के समर्थन को लेकर तीखा तंज कसा। थरूर ने ब्राजील में एम्बेसडर सेल्सो एमोरिम से बातचीत के दौरान कहा कि संयुक्त राष्ट्र सुरक्षा परिषद में भारत और पाकिस्तान दोनों को होना चाहिए। फिलहाल न तो भारत ही संयुक्त राष्ट्र सुरक्षा परिषद का स्थायी सदस्य है और न ही पाकिस्तान, लेकिन पाकिस्तान अपने दोस्त चीन की मदद से आतंकियों की सुरक्षा करने में कामयाब हो जाता है। उन्होंने कहा कि आपका दोस्त चीन हर बार आतंकियों को बचा लेता है।
India encouraged our friends on the Security Council to mention the Resistance Front in the press statement that the Security Council issued. The Pakistan government, I'm sorry to say with the support of your friends in China, took out the name. So there is not even a reference to the organization. Yes, yes, of course, and we are also your friends. But we are not on the council. These guys are, and neither are you these days, which is our loss. We have to change that situation, sir. Both of us should be on the council together on a more durable basis. But to come back to the story, so we conducted this. The Pakistanis were told very clearly, and the world was told, this is a retribution, not the beginning of a war. If you leave this alone, we will leave you alone. Pakistan instead chose to react with disproportionate artillery shelling on civilian areas. They killed 19 civilians in one district alone, on Poonch in Kashmir. Army, this time official Pakistani army attacked us. They killed 19 civilians. They hit a Sikh temple, a Gurudwara. They hit a convent, the convent of the Carmelites of Mother Mary. They killed civilians in homes. They killed traffic on the streets. It was absolutely shocking. At that point, we also retaliated. There was no declaration of war, but we hit them back.
बता दें कि कांग्रेस सांसद शशि थरूर की अगुवाई वाले इस सर्वदलीय शिष्टमंडल में शांभवी चौधरी, सरफराज अहमद, सुदीप बंदोपाध्याय, हरीश बालयोगी, शशांक मणि त्रिपाठी, भुवनेश्वर कलिता, मिलिंद देवड़ा और तरनजीत सिंह संधू शामिल हैं।